Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can save your draft post on Instagram. So if you want to upload something for later but you want everything to be prepared right now, then you can save it as a draft. How you guys can do that is once you open Instagram, just click on the plus button at the bottom, and from over here you can choose a photo or a video. So let's say I want to save this photo as a draft for later. So I can click on the photo and click on next at the top right. And I can add any filter I want. So I will just go for the chandelier one and click on next at the top and click on OK. Now let's say I want to save this as a draft. What I can do is just write anything I want over here right now. I will just do that. So once you have typed all the thing and edited all the thing you want, you can click on the back button at the top left and click on it again, and then only you can see this option called save draft. Now once you see it, just click on save draft, and basically your post has been saved as a draft on your Instagram. You can just go under profile by clicking on profile at the bottom right, or you can just click on the plus again and you can see this section called draft. Click on draft and it's going to show you all the draft that is available. You can click on the draft, or you can just click on next at the top and post a draft. As you guys can see, I'm back at the place where I left it last time. So that's how you guys can save Instagram post as draft. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.